Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully you are doing well. Let's start our today's social studies lesson. Students, today we will do the reading and explanation of page number 49 of lesson 6. Here in this page we will read about atomic power and other forms of power. So let's start. Atomic power. Another kind of power is nuclear or atomic power. So nuclear and atomic power are the another kind of power. Nuclear power stations are expensive to build and only a few countries in the world have developed this power. So what are nuclear power stations? Nuclear power stations are the stations in which electricity is generated from the energy produced by nuclear reaction. In the nuclear power station, we use the uranium atom. And in these power stations, the uranium atom is splitted. And when we split the uranium atom, it produces a lot of energy. And this energy is used in the generation of electricity. But these power stations are very expensive and costly to build. That's why very few countries of the world have these power stations. There are two nuclear power stations in Pakistan, in Karachi and in Chashma in the north. Luckily, Pakistan has two nuclear power stations. One is in Karachi, called the Karachi Nuclear Power Plant, and the second one is in Chashma, called the Chashma Nuclear Power Plant. Moving to the next heading. The next heading is other forms of power. Power can also be generated using energy from the sun, solar power, and from the wind through windmills. Biogas from cow dung and ethanol from sugarcane and maize can also be used to produce power. So, there are many other ways of generating electricity. For example, we can generate electricity by using the energy from the sun. And this electricity is called solar power. And we can also generate electricity from the wind by using the windmills. Biogas, the waste of the cow, and ethanol, the remains of sugarcane and maize, can also be used to produce power or electricity. Energy from the sun is stored in solar panels placed on rooftops or in special locations, and it is used to generate electricity. However, this is a very expensive method of producing power. So here you can see these are the solar panels, and these solar panels are placed on the top of the roof or in an open place so that they can get the light of the sun or the energy from the sun. And then this energy of the sun is stored in these solar panels, and then this energy is converted into electricity. But these solar panels are very expensive. The power of the wind is used through windmills, the blades turning in the wind work the turbines which generate power. So these are the windmills, and these windmills have sharp blades, and when the wind blow, then with the movement of the wind, these blades also move, and when these blades move, then it turns the turbine, and then the turbine generate the electricity.